Hey guys, so let's look at a program to convert time into different formats. I've already done a video on converting number of days into years, months, weeks and days. I will link the video of the program in the description box below. This is something very similar to that, where we are going to convert the number of seconds into hours and minutes and the remaining seconds. So we'll do a very similar part of that. We know 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes, which is equal to 3600 seconds, and 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So this is going to be a relatively short program, because obviously once the user enters the number of seconds through my scanf statements, following the same logic I had used over there, I'm going to calculate hours is equal to the number of seconds divided by 3600, and obviously calculating the remaining seconds is going to be the modulus sign. So seconds is equal to seconds modulus 3600. Now going on to calculate the number of minutes is equal to seconds after calculating the number of hours divided by 60, and seconds, the remaining seconds is going to be equal to seconds modulus 60. Now this will give you the number of hours, the number of minutes and the number of seconds. Let's take the seconds entered as I need 3600. Let's take 3667. Now 3667 divided by 3600, which is the number of hours, it will go one time, which is 3600, and the balance is 67. So number of hours is equal to 1 and the balance is 67. Again divide 67 by 60 to find the number of minutes. So it goes one time and there is a 7 remaining. So the number of minutes is 1 and there is a remainder of 7. Go ahead and print seconds as what is remaining, which is 7. So this will give you conversion of a smaller unit like seconds into a bigger unit like hours or minutes. If you given the number of hours, suppose the user gives you the number of hours %d, which is let's say you calculate the number of hours and asks you to convert either into minutes or into seconds or into both. Obviously you can write 1 hour is going to be equal to 60 minutes. So you can write minutes is equal to what you got as the user input in hours multiplied by 60. Or you can go ahead and write seconds is equal to the number of hours the user gave as input into 3600. If you were going to calculate seconds from minutes, you could write seconds is equal to the number of minutes you calculated earlier multiplied by 60, because 1 minute is 60 seconds. This is converting a bigger unit like hours into smaller units like minutes or seconds. This part of converting from bigger units to smaller units is pretty easy. The tough part lies in always converting smaller units into bigger units. That time always follow the operation of doing division and then finding the remainder, division modulus continuously till you break it down into bigger units. Now let's see this in the code. So we'll start with int the number of seconds we have, how many hours and how many minutes. So we will shorten it down this later. So I'll ask my user for the number of seconds first, /n, enter seconds, and scanf %d ampersand seconds, And let's do the shortened version where we're going to print f, or let's do how hours is equal to seconds divided by 3600, and the remaining seconds after calculating the hours is equal to the seconds modulus 3600, and minutes is equal to seconds divided by 60, and the remaining seconds is equal to seconds after calculating hours modulus 60. And you can go ahead and print everything at the bottom, it's okay. Hours, and put %d /n, minutes, put %d and /n, seconds, put %d and printf. The first will be hours, the second will be minutes, and the last will be the remaining seconds. So yes, let's run. Let's say I've entered 3600 seconds, which is exactly 1 hour, so the remaining will be 0. If I run and just enter 60 seconds, it will be 0 hours, 1 minute and seconds. If you just go ahead and enter anything like 20 seconds, 0 hours, 0 minutes, 20 seconds. So now I have 3600 seconds plus 60 plus 7. Let's just say I'm running for 3667. There should be 1 hour, 1 minute and 7 seconds. There you go. Now you can go ahead and replace this. I'll just replace the left hand side where I'll do printf statement and /n hours %d and comma the value 3 seconds by 3600 and close the bracket over here. The seconds is equal to seconds by 3600. Again, what I'm going to do is printf, and this is going to be the minutes. So minutes is %d, and what I have here will be seconds by 60. Close the bracket just before the semicolon. And the remaining seconds what we have here is just going to be directly seconds itself. So /n seconds and %d, close the apostrophe, comma, and this is the formula. Close the brackets. I don't need these. Now I can go ahead and remove these. And I'll run the program for the same value of 3667, and it is 1 hour, 1 minute and 7 seconds. Thank you.